Once again, good morning to all of you. This is your first class of chemistry.
Yes, sir.
म्यूट कीजिए अपने आप को म्यूट कीजिए.
Okay.
इतना मेहनत से म्यूट हुआ है, म्यूट करने के लिए बोल रहे.
Class 10. Today we have discussion
गुड
on
मॉर्निंग सर. मॉर्निंग तो बोलो.
okay students, we have discussing on the syllabus of class 10 subject chemistry. First the chapter first you have to read. First chapter you have to read in class 10 chemical reaction and equations. Chemical reactions and equations. This is your first chapter. Your second chapter, acids, bases and salts. Acids, bases and salts. Your third chapter you have to read in class 10, metals and nonmetals. Metals and nonmetals. Fourth chapter, carbon and its compound. Carbon and its compounds. And fifth chapter, it is the last chapter also, periodic classification of element. Periodic classification of elements. These are the 5 chapters you have to read in class 10. In these chapters, we have also defined you which chapters are coming in half yearly exam and which chapters and how much percentage they coming in your final exams or pre-board exam. Okay. These 3 chapters, chapter 1, chapter 2 and chapter 3. Chapter 1, chapter 2 and chapter 3. You have prepared for half yearly exam. Half yearly exam. Okay. And these 2 chapters, including these 3 chapters also. Okay. including these chapters also. It is for final exam, final exam or pre-board exam, pre-board exam. Okay, the percentage of it is also known as SA1 and SA2 half yearly exam. It is known as SA1 and final exam. It is known as SA2 exam. Okay, I read. I write here a note from SA1. 40% syllabus has been coming in your final exam. Okay, and from SA2 coming 60% syllabus in your final exam. This is data for final exam. It is the data for final exam, final exam or pre-board exam also. Okay, this is the syllabus. I discuss the particular chapter one by one, which subtopics you have to read in these chapters. Firstly, we have discussed for chapter 1 chemical reactions and equation. Please take a screenshot of this page. Students, please take a screenshot of this page. Please take a screenshot of this page. Okay, I am coming in next page. I hope you all understand the syllabus of your subject chemistry. Here I've discussed the first chapters. Chapter 1. Chapter 1. Chemical reactions and equations. Chemical reaction and equations. In these chapters, which subtopics you have to read? Okay, firstly you have to read subtopics. What is chemical change or chemical reaction? I write here chemical reactions. It is also known as chemical change. Chemical reactions and chemical change and their examples also, and their examples. Okay, in these reactions I also discuss about chemical equations, chemical equations, then I teach you exothermic or endothermic reactions, exothermic and endothermic reaction. Okay. Then I will teach balancing of chemical equations, balancing of chemical equations. We have read here two types of balancing of chemical equation: heat and trial method or error method. Okay. Fifth, you have read here types of chemical reactions. Types of chemical reactions. Okay. Here we have read about different types of chemical reactions such as combination reaction, combination reactions, decomposition reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, displacement reactions, double displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, and one more reactions I have read below here, redox reaction, redox reaction. Okay, and their examples also. So this is the syllabus of first chapters or subtopics of first chapter, which which subtopics you have to read in these chapters. Okay, for some time I unmute you all. If you have any types of question or doubts, then ask for me particularly. It means that one by one serially. Okay. Students, I
Yes,
unmute you
sir.
all. If you have any types of problem related to these topics, I have to read today. If you have any doubts or
Sir,
problem, then ask for me.
sir, सर
Yes,
पीटी फर्स्ट में कौन सा चैप्टर आएगा?
PT first में one, chapter 1,
बस
chemical reactions and equations.
फर्स्ट ही चैप्टर.
First chapter and something from
स्कूल
acid
कब
bases
खुलेगा?
salt. Acid bases and salt.
सर पीटी फर्स्ट अप्रैल में होगा ना?
You
Hello,
have
sir.
given information about PT first half yearly exam and some others, and when you school is open, it is also given information from management to you. Okay, there is no any information.
स्कूल कब खुलेगा?
I Harish, I already said you, I have no any types of information about when a school is open. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. If you any doubt from related to syllabus, anyone?
No,
No, sir.
sir.
No, sir, I have not any doubt.
Then I I go in next page to details these topics. Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
Yes, sir.
I
Yes.
mute.
sir.
I mute you all. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Firstly, we will discuss here what is chemical reactions. Firstly, we will discuss here what is chemical reactions. Chemical reactions. Okay. Before it, I talk about in last classes. It means that in class 9, class 7, class 8, you have read about physical change or chemical change. You also, we have already teach you all which are chemical changes and which are physical changes. I have given some examples. You have to choose here. Before discuss this topic, I given some examples. You have to choose here which are physical changes and which are chemical changes. Lifting of milk in summer. Lifting, lifting or cuddling. Cuddling, cutting of milk. Next example, rusting of iron. Rusting of iron, forming of ice. Okay. Next example, melting of moon. And you have to last example, corrosion in metals. Corrosion in metals. These are 5 examples. In these examples, some examples are physical changes and some examples are chemical changes. You already know about lifting or curdling of milk. These are the this is the examples of chemical change. Chemical change. Okay. This is also the examples of chemical change. But forming of ice is a physical change. Example of physical change, melting of ice, it is also melting of moon, it is the also example of physical change. But corrosion in metals, this is the examples of chemical change. You remember these examples in last classes you have to read how these are chemical changes and how these 2 examples are physical changes. Okay. I already you have known about these examples, the changes which can't be reversed, the chemical changes or the changes which can't be reversed known as chemical changes, or the changes which be reversed are known as physical changes. I write here about physical changes and chemical changes. The changes which can reverse, the changes which can reverse are called physical changes, are called physical changes. It means that, as for examples, when reactant form any product, reactants form any products, then product also convert into reactant with some conditions. Okay, so this is the this is the symbol of reversible reaction. This is the symbol of reversible reaction. Okay, the changes which can be reversed, which reverse, are called physical changes. Here two examples you have to given: forming of ice and melting of ice. So melting of moon, these are the examples of physical changes. Okay, please screenshot of this page. Please take a screenshot of this page. Then I go in next page. I hope you take a screenshot of this page. I am going in next page. Okay, and note number 2, the changes which can't be reversed. The changes which can't be reversed are called irreversible change. Irreversible change. Irreversible change or irreversible reactions also. Okay, it means that if any reactants or group of reactants form any types of product, this product can't be reversed. This product can't be reversed. This product can't be reversed. These types of reactions are called irreversible change or irreversible reaction. As for examples, I already write in last page: corrosion in metals, corrosion in metals, corrosion in metals. Due to corrosion in metals, metals weight decreases. Metals, the fundamental weight, sorry, I explain these matters. The the nature of metals, the natures and weight, the uh, the the accurate weight lifting. As for examples, this is a metal rod. If it is rusting with some moistures, then its weight increases due to moisture molecules, but its actual weight decreases. Okay, some example: rusting of iron, I already said you. So this is and first one example I have: curdling of milk. Curdling of milk, this is also the examples, because milk can't be reversed in curd, and sorry, a curd can't be reversed in milk. Okay, so these are the examples of reversible change or reactions. All reversible reactions are known as chemical reactions. All reversible reactions are known as chemical reactions. Okay, I write here with note point: all irreversible changes are known as chemical reactions. Okay, after this I explain what is chemical reactions. Please take a screenshot of this page. Please take a screenshot of this page. Students, please take a screenshot of this page. I have 6 minutes and 51 seconds. I unmute you all. If you have any problem or doubts related to these examples, then you ask for me. Okay? I unmute you all. If you have any problem, please ask for me.
Sir, what is the difference between corrosion and rusting?